Hi everyone, in the previous lesson we talked about tuples, and in this lesson we will be talking about the set object of Python programming language. Let's begin our lesson. The set object is unordered collection of unique items. The most important point is this is unordered collection. Set is defined by values separated by comma inside the braces, inside the curly braces. Another important point about the set is every set element is unique, no duplicates, okay? A set object, mutable, we can add or remove items from it. Let's create a set object, num equals, we will be using the curly braces. Unlike the dictionaries, we just write the elements, not key and values. I'm gonna write 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is our set object. Let's look at the output. Yes, if you look at the output, you will see the difference between this and this. Because in our set object, we have 2 3s and we have 2 5. But in the output, there is no 2 of them. Because the set object is unique, no duplicates. As you remember, my friend, a list object or tuple object has ordered. So you can get all of the elements by using indexing. But set object unordered, so you cannot get any element from this set object by using indexing. So let's look at some methods of set object. The first method is add method. This method adds an element to the set. Let's add some element to our set. Num dot add 100. Shift enter. Let's look at new num. We have a new number. Okay. Also, you can remove the specified item by using the discard method. I'm gonna use discard method to get rid of this element. 100. Shift enter. Look at new num. Yes, there is no 100 element in the new set. Okay, but there is difference between remove and discard. Remove also removes the specified element. Let's use remove method. Remove dot parentheses. I'm gonna write 5. Shift enter. Look at new set. There is no 5 here. Okay, but as you see, my friend, discard and remove removes the element. But there is difference between them. This remove method is different from discard method because the remove method will raise an error if the specified item does not exist, but discard method will not. Let's try it out. Num dot remove. For example, I'm gonna write 23. Shift enter. There is an error, key error. But if you change discard instead of remove, discard, shift enter, there is no error. Understand? The remove and discard method is different from each other. Remove method will raise an error if specified item does not exist. Okay? Let's use another method. It's this update method. This method updates the set with the union of this set and others. So we can use this two set. The first set is num. The second set is, for example, other equals 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Shift enter. I'm gonna use the update method. Num.update. In the parentheses, you have to use the other set. Shift enter. Let's look at new num. Okay, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. As you see, my friend, this method, this update method, update the num set and the other set. Also, you can use difference method. Difference method returns a set containing difference between two or more sets. As you see, my friend, yes, this is the num set and we have the other set. Shift enter. As you see, my friend, the 2 is in the 2 set and 4 in the 2 set. You can use the difference method to get the differences between them. Difference, in the parentheses, you have to use the other set, yes, differences between them is 1, 3, 6 and 7 because 2 and 4 is in the other list. Okay? Another method we will be using is difference update method. This method removes the items that exist in both sets. Okay? Difference update method is different from difference method because difference method returns a new set without the unwanted items. As you see, the difference update method removes the unwanted items from the original set. Let's use, I'm going to copy and paste and I'm going to use difference update method. Okay, I'm going to write other set here, shift enter, look at new num. Yes, now we have this set. In the previous example, in the difference method, you can look at the num, you can look at the difference method, you can look at num. Num has not changed. Okay, in the difference method, the last num set is here and the differences and update method updated the original set. Okay, also you can use the intersection method. This method returns a set that is the intersection of two other sets. Let's use in example, I'm gonna get these two sets and I'm gonna use intersection method, shift enter. Yes, the output is 2 and 4. This is the intersection of these two sets, 2 and 4. Okay, also we have intersection update method as similar difference update method. Intersection update method removes the items that is not present in the both sets. The intersection update method is different from intersection method because the intersection method returns a new set, okay, without the unwanted items. The intersection update method removes the unwanted items from the original set. Let's look at the num set in the intersection method. Yes, we have this. But if we use the intersection update method, I'm going to copy and paste and I'm going to use the intersection update method. Intersection update, shift enter. Yes, let's look at new num. New set is this. It's different from the intersection method. This intersection update method removes the unwanted items from the original set. Now our original set is the output is 2 and 4. Okay. Also we have union method. This union method is return a set containing the union of sets. Let's use this set in this method. Shift enter num dot union other, shift enter. New set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. This method concatenate these but not using the duplicate elements. There is no 2. The union method returns a set containing the union of sets. Okay. Also you can use copy and clear method. You can remember the list or dictionary method. Num dot copy, shift enter. This is the copy version. I'm gonna assign a new variable, new num copy. I'm gonna clear the new set, new dot clear, shift enter. Yes, let's look at the new set. There is no element in it, but you can look at the original set that has elements because we have copy version of num and assign a new variable. As you understand, my friend, in this lecture we talked about set object in Python programming language and some methods. So we finished our data types. In the next lesson we will be talking about conversion between data types. See you in the next lesson.